the ladies are strong and we did it. The challenges we face is that as ladies we are not that strong as men, but the cycle that we have, we did it for Kenya. Yes, we did it for Kenya and we can do it again.
Leo ni furaha yangu kama team manager kuona kwamba vijana wetu wamekuwa na nidhamu, wamevumilia na wamepata kwamba ile mchezo wa leo ambao inaitwa Down River kutoka huko Dhanju hadi hapa Rapid ambao ni mwendo kama wa kilomita 4 hivi, wameweza kufika bila madhara yoyote. Na hiyo Mungu. Tunataka pia kuwasihi vijana wetu wale ambao wanataka kuungana na sisi pia waje.
So far we have 3 activities. The Down River. Down River is it's an activity which is done between minimum 4 kilometers and 7 kilometers. And the teams paddle, and whichever team wins is declared the winner. So this is a race which requires a lot of energy, and it's done both girls and then the other one is a mixed race also, which also happens. The other activity is called slalom. Slalom is an activity which is done between a distance of 200 meters and 300 meters with specific gates. So, and the last one will be RX, which will happen on Saturday, Sunday. So we are asking Kenyans to just turn up in large numbers and make sure that they support the Team Kenya and of course the African Championship here, because we have 11 countries which are already here in Sagana. This is a big boost, not only to Sagana tourism and Murang'a and Kirinyaga counties, but all over Mount Kenya region. So we are really